hunk of steel here. Some cables. Bust this guy open. Take out more of the plastic. That it could be a nice clean stainless steel. Go, lots of plastic. There you go, so a nice piece of stainless steel. Bunch of broken plastic that's going in trash. And some bits of steel. Which is going to go in our steel pile. Now we have heat gun. I use this for over 10 years on bunch of repairs I used to do. Would heat up plastic and stuff just to make things come off easier. But it finally died on me after a decade. Actually, my dad used this in his body shop. And since he retired, I grabbed a bunch of his tools and use them for my specific needs. A bunch of screws. And I'm guessing there's going to be a motor in here, and that's pretty much about it. Some cabling. There you go. So we have the motor here. That's about it.